best Bitcoin IRA companies. So this is what we're discussing in today's videos. Bitcoin's new all-time high in 2025 pretty much pushed retirement savers to ask a simple question: can I hold crypto tax advantaged, right? So that's where the Bitcoin IRA comes in, which is a self-directed IRA that lets you invest in cryptocurrencies and sometimes other alternative assets as well inside traditional or Roth wrappers. So below, all of that, you will be looking at things at top Bitcoin IRA providers, right? How the fees, security actually really stacks up, and also just a quick decision path on how to pick the right one for yourself. So when we look at just at a glance at the top providers and what they're best for, etc., we find that you've got Alto Crypto IRA, for example, which is best for overall. Lower barrier, account minimum is $10. Typical fees 1%, trading 0%, custody, digital assets 200 plus, right? Coinbase integrated custody as well, no setup, no annual fees. So it's pretty good. iTrustCapital, which is best rates, I think, on smoother onboarding. A minimum account is $1,000 here, 1% per crypto transaction, no monthly or storage fees, BTC, ETH, and major, and also metals. Simple pricing, rollovers from IRA or 401k, TSP support as well there. So Equity Trust Company, which is a best self-directed flexibility, $500 a minimum account, scheduled admin fees, crypto trade cost, sort of between 2% and 1% on the buy to sell via the program partners there, but also crypto, real estate, private placements, metals, etc. Long running SDIRA as well as a custodian. Then you've got the Bitcoin IRA, which is kind of best for insurance profiles, $1,000 setup minimum, circa 1.99% trading to 2% monthly, 0.08% over 80 coins, and then you custody that via BitGo with up to 250 million insurance as well, and a robust security there. Then you've got that's the Bitcoin IRA, right? So the platform. Then you've got BitIRA, which is best for security, 7,000 minimum to 10,000, 2% buy and sell, 1% liquidity fee, plus 17 coins available. SOC2 type storage, multi-sigs as well. So if you want simple, low cost IRA, minimum friction, you go to Alto. If you prefer an all digital, low fee experience with clean rollovers, you want to look at iTrustCapital. If you want a simple SDIRA flexibility with crypto alternatives, and you look at Equity Trust. If you want an RA platform with headline insurance and 24/7 UX, Bitcoin IRA. Then if you want a security first curated coin, less secure compliance posture, you want to look at BitIRA. So what is a Bitcoin IRA in the first place and how it actually works, right? So it's a self-directed, like I said, traditional, both or Roth IRA really, that lets you buy crypto inside the account. You still get an IRA a tax treatment, a tax deferred for traditional tax-free withdrawals if the Roth rules are met. So in 2025, I think contribution limits about $7,000 catch-up for 50 plus. I think Bitcoin IRAs are differing from the brokerage IRAs because of the custodian not having to have the vet investments. So also fees, security, operational rules as well. So when it comes to just the security, what actually matters, I think, are fees that can eat your returns, right? So trading execution, 1%, for example, with iTrust and Alto IRA, set up monthly admin fee. IRAs that shows setup trading, monthly fees, admin fees, equity scheduled trust, for example, with the variations between the assets and the services. But then obviously you need to think about the security signals to look for, like the custodian pedigree and the insurance. BitGo, for example, has 250 million in policy when it holds the keys. And then you just want clear wallet segregation, access controls, incident disclosures, and the regular multi-sig standards as well. So yeah, you can also check out the link in the description. You can see a full comparison of the different IRAs that we've done on our main site, so you can kind of just see, and you can also just look at the decision paths, right? So choose your lane. If you want a simple IRA with low fees, if you want to move an old 401k, so wanting to smooth the rollover, if you want alternatives plus crypto in your SDRA, you know, so all of that. If you want to just know the step-by-step, it's very easy how to open it, of course, depending on whether you're obviously in the US, right? So you pick an account, a traditional tax deferred, or the Roth, which is after tax, tax-free qualified withdrawals. You choose a provider, balance fees, custodial, insurance, and asset menus. There you fund it 25th, depending on the actual contributions, minimums there in the rollover for existing 401ks, and select the assets, whether it's BTC or ETH, and you add outs if you want to add outs cautiously, of course. And then you place the trades, you use a limit order or scaling to reduce that slippage. You monitor your cost, and you rebalance and document, of course, you know, for tax purposes. So yeah, there are many different ones. The best IRA in 2025, depending on obviously your preference. Go check out the full article on our main site, and if you want to know the best exchanges to trade on, just check out the links down below. And happy trading, guys. Peace, love.